Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add debts onto your YNAB account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can use your credentials and proceed forward. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, once you are taken into your monthly budget plan, if you haven't already added your income, you can do so from the Add Account option. Now, if you add your account information from the linked section, then your income will be automatically calculated and added onto your account. You may also do this manually from the unlinked section, where you will need to manually add in your account balance information. Once you have added your income, you can begin to assign this to various different categories. Now, in order to add debt, underneath the bills section, you will find the personal loans category. You can assign your loan amount to this category from the Assign Money section. And once you choose personal loans, you can enter the amount that you want to allocate for this. After entering your amount, you can tap on the Assign button, and now this amount will be assigned to the personal loans category. You can tap on Finish Assigning to complete assigning your personal loan, or you can also continue to assign the amount for other categories. Once you are done assigning, you can tap on the Finish Assigning option, and now you have added your debt from your budget to your personal loan section. If you have multiple personal loans, and you would like to separate them, you can tap on the Edit option at the top, and alongside the Done button you can see the Add Group option. You can tap on this and enter your group name. You can then tap on the plus button and your group has been created. Now, within these categories, you can add multiple debts and even choose the interval of payment. You can continue to add more from the plus button, and once you are done, you can tap on the Done button, and now your debts have been added right away. You can now choose the Assign Money option just as before to continue assigning your budget to these debts as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add debts onto your account on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.